In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive for sales pipeline management. We'll walk through how to use the pipeline view to manage your sales process from start to finish, so you always know where every deal stands and what you should do next. First, open your Pipedrive account and go to the Pipeline tab. This is your visual overview of your entire sales process. You'll see columns that represent the different stages in your pipeline and deal cards sitting in each stage. Think of this as your digital whiteboard, where you track every opportunity from first contact all the way to a closed sale. Before you start adding deals, it's worth taking a moment to customize your stages so they reflect your real-world sales process. To do this, look to the top right of the pipeline view and click the pencil icon. Here you can rename existing stages or add new ones that match the steps your team actually follows, such as qualification, demo scheduled, proposal sent, and so on. Clear and specific stage names make it much easier to understand what needs to happen next for each deal. Once your stages are set up, you're ready to add deals. In the first stage of your pipeline, click the Plus Deal button. A form will open where you can enter details like the contact's name, organization, and the estimated value of the deal. Take the time to input accurate information here, because this will affect your forecasting and reports later. When you're done, save the deal, and it will appear as a card in that first stage. As your conversations progress, you'll move deals through the pipeline. This is very simple. Just drag and drop the deal card from one stage to the next, left to right. Each time you move a card, you're updating its status in your process. This makes it easy for you and your team to see where everything stands at a glance. To make sure deals don't stall, Pipedrive lets you schedule activities directly from each deal card. Look for the small icon on the card, often shown as a yellow triangle or a gray symbol if nothing is scheduled yet. Click it to set your next to-do, like a call, meeting, or follow-up email. Always try to have at least one upcoming activity scheduled for every active deal so your pipeline keeps moving. Finally, when a decision has been made, you'll close the deal. You can do this by dragging the card down to the won or lost area at the bottom of the screen. Marking deals as won or lost helps keep your pipeline clean and gives you accurate data about your conversion rates and overall performance. By customizing your stages, adding accurate deal details, moving cards as they progress, scheduling clear next steps, and closing out deals properly, you'll turn Pipedrive into a simple visual command center for your entire sales process.